Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we have a little guest, my sister.
Hi.
So this is my little sissy. And yesterday it was her birthday. And she's 12 now. Yeah. So what do you like? Which group do you like into K-pop? Wait. Yeah.
Gatsai, Eyelet, Enhypen,
And your favorite boy group is?
Enhypen.
And who's your bias from Enhypen?
Nikki.
Mine is Sunghoon and my bias record is Nikki. But yeah. Do you have also a bias record in Enhypen?
Suno.
Yeah, y'all. So, what are we gonna do today?
Unboxing.
Plus a
Birthday haul.
birthday haul from her. So yeah, let's start.
Bye.
Okay, so the first thing what you got is ba-da-ba-da-ba,
A binder.
my binder,
It's so cute.
and it's expensive, but okay. Yeah, so she has an addiction for binders. I don't know why. She has 3 binders. No, 4. You have 4 binders. Damn, I have 2. Okay, yeah. So yeah, she also got some albums, so she's gonna show you her
Yes.
albums.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, anyways. Oh, a closer look. Her Enhypen photo card. This is a Lomo photo card, but yeah. Don't care. We don't care. Okay. Okay. So next thing that she got is
This album.
album from
Eyelet.
Eyelet. Yeah, it's me. Yeah, I love the song. This is a great album. There's so much stuff inside, but we're not gonna show everything inside. If you want like a part 2 of things was inside, you can like comment and maybe we will do a part 2. But yeah. Anyway, so first album is Eyelet. Let's pick your second album. So yeah, pretty. Oh, and her pools. Okay, and her pools are
Oh my god, Mocha and Minchu.
yeah, I don't know. I don't know the names actually. Anyways, so she got it right. Her first card is yeah, this is her bias by the way.
Yes.
And also my bias. Yeah, so pretty. Oh. Yeah.
Okay, next we got Minchu and Mocha.
I love it, the concept.
And next we got Minchu. She's a diva.
So next thing that she got is
Orange Blood.
from Enhypen. And this is your only Enhypen album that you got from your birthday. Or yeah, actually you got some more, but yeah, we're gonna unbox those. So what are your pulls for this album? She was really happy with this album. We got his song. Okay. But yeah, this is his song, right? I don't know. Yeah, I think so.
And photo cards.
And for the photo cards, she got her bias again.
We got
Jake. From Culpuffer. I'm not sure.
And Nikki, my bias.
Oh.
Really pretty.
Very pretty.
And
yeah.
we got
Jungwon. Yay. Yeah.
And the alpha. And
Jake. Cowboy edit. Okay, so those are her pools for the Orange Blood.
Okay, and we got some needles. They're really special.
Oh my god. Yeah, she got 4 needles. What is the version? Like football? I don't know. Yeah, and they're like in 4 colors. ASMR.
And like,
Yeah, like
they're really soft.
I don't like
though.
them, but she likes them.
I
yeah.
like them.
It's not worth the money. I think it's expensive. So yeah. Next thing she got is K-pop, a K-pop album again, or yeah, album. This is a viewfinder. That's what it is
Birthfay.
called. It's so
Oh.
tiny. I thought it was so big, but it's tiny. Like
Oh my god.
she is
Nice,
obsessed with cats. Like
nice.
she has every album almost. She needs one more album.
The wild version.
Wild, and the
The
purple version, right?
Yes, and the other from Beautiful Chaos.
Oh yeah, yeah. But she has every version. Yeah. So, do you want to show photo cards or something?
Oh yeah.
Maybe. Yeah. Pretty expensive. No, okay. I'm
not gonna take them out because yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, first we got this Megan, my bias.
Who's your bias? I'm your bias. Papa.
Okay, next we got this one, I think. Yes, Megan. And third we got those two.
These two.
And those two. Like yeah, that.
So
I love this one.
Junche or Sophia? Yeah. We have Daniela.
Those two. They're really pretty.
Very pretty.
And we got this one.
Oh my god.
And that one. And we got this one. And that one. And that were all photo cards.
Those are all the photo cards. Okay, so that was the. This is the third album, K-pop album. She has more. She got this magazine from Spaghetti La Seraphim, right?
Ginger, my bias.
It's her bias, yeah.
She's
I like the like front. It's so pretty. The cover from this, it looks like a magazine. It is a magazine, but it's so good. I think this is the prettiest design ever for like
really
album.
Like I love it.
You love it. And your pool?
Let me just look.
She wanted this album so bad.
I got this Yunjin for the car. And this
It's low-key pretty. I love the photo.
And I got a freebie. I don't know if it's real or something.
It's fake, but
it's very cute.
We don't care.
So that were my pools.
Those are her pools. Next thing is
Sabrina Carpenter perfume.
Perfume.
Really. This is lemon and this is caramel.
Yeah. So 2 of the perfumes.
I love them.
Yeah. She almost has every like version of those perfumes from Sabrina Carpenter. Today she bought this Baby Monster Oreo. She has the same as me.
Yeah.
But she got a different pool. She got her bias, right?
Mm-hmm.
Again. She's so lucky.
My gosh, look at that.
Is that right pronounced? I don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah. So was that everything? I think so.
I didn't have. Oh no, wait, I have some.
Yeah. Yeah, so that was everything.
No.
Oh wait. Stop. That was Cap. She has more. Yeah. Okay, next she loves like stones. Like these are not stones, but like I don't know.
Crystals.
Crystals, yeah. So this is the first one. She has a whole collection of those. Like it's crazy. Yeah, so that's the first one, and she got a second one. Those stones like diamond. Wait, that one. Oh, yeah, and
It's
this.
really pretty though.
Yeah, and she likes to collect them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Anyways, so this was the haul from her birthday, but this is not the end of the video because today she also bought two Enhypen albums for like the money that she got. She bought two Enhypen albums, the Blue Untold and the
Border Carnival.
Border Carnival red black version. I don't know what is this version called. Like I don't know, but yeah,
Hype.
we're go. No, that's
Yes, it is. Hype.
that's entertainment.
No. There's a version called Hype, and
Okay. Anyways, let's go to unboxing. Let's start with the blue version Untold. So
okay.
I'm gonna cut.
There's the
Oh, that was damn ugly.
go open, bitch.
Start, girl.
Okay, first.
Put your seat. Doe je zo'n laag kind?
Oh, my chair.
Here. Okay. So first thing is this little heart. I got the yellow version from this one.
It's really cute.
Okay.
Okay,
Should I
let's
check
just open.
check or the photo cards are like?
Yeah, I do. I don't want to see it.
Okay. Okay, you can't see them, and I also didn't see them. Okay, so it's both a surprise for us too. If you are gonna pull Sunguna,
Wait. Oh wait. We can
let's unbox first, and then we can manifest.
Well, open. Oh.
Okay, photo book. Oh my, it looks the same.
Photo booth.
Or, but yeah, the ends. Ooh,
Oh.
Sunghoon. Oh my god, damn.
Oh, pretty.
Oh my god. Loki, I love this concept, by the way. That's so pretty. Oh my god. Sunghoon slayed that. Okay, yeah. Okay, just let's remove the photo cards. You also have a random. Oh, sticker. Okay. Oh, so okay.
Okay.
I have the same one, but it's red and white. Okay, more stickers. This is a random Polaroid, by the way, I think. What? You have more? What the heck? Oh. Okay, okay. Or maybe a group photo. I'm not sure. Jake.
His body though.
Face. Your face.
Okay.
Oh, it is a poster. Yeah,
What's in there?
CD.
Oh.
Oh, you have J. I think you also get a J photo card. I'm not sure.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah, you get to. But these are tiny.
Oh.
Mine is bigger. It's also. This is an engine, right?
Oh.
Oh, but
my God.
it's so hard.
This
But
really is so cute.
let me show.
It's really
Let me
cute.
see. It's pretty, but it's the same as mine, I think. And you get a poster. Yo!
Oh, that's cute.
I'm gonna steal this. Yo! Oh
What
my
is
god!
she wearing?
Sunghoon is
Really? Yo.
down. Okay, let's.
Wait.
Oh! Okay.
What are you doing?
Anyways, let's manifest, y'all. Ready to go.
Okay, let's see. Girly.
Let's see. Oh, bro.
Huh?
The camera almost.
3.
Like, I
Two,
think it's always okay.
1. Sing one. Ready? She's jealous. I knew it. Okay, second. Ooh, Jungwon. He's cute though. Oh my god. Look. No.
Of course, I'm super happy for her.
Bombastic.
Yeah, anyways. Anyways, second album. If you're gonna pull another single, I'm gonna cry.
If I pull Nikki, I'm gonna cry. Oh my god. I have waited.
I will take the single card midnight. I come to your room at 3 p.m. 3 a.m. 3 huh?
Okay.
To get it. Loki, I love it. It's yeah. Loki, I love. Okay. Should I like check?
How do I open? Oh. Yeah, I knew that.
Should I check where you can see it first? There are 3 photo cards, or okay, you can't see the photo cards. There are 3 photo cards. Oh my god! Ugh. There is a name on it.
Oh. I didn't see anything. Loki, it's cute.
Someone, bro.
I don't know. Oh. Calm down. Wait. Oh.
Oh my god.
Where's Nikki?
I want your album. Oh my god!
Oh. Oh. Yes.
I'm totally not jealous. No.
My mention, yes.
Yes. Of course, you pull my bias. Bro. Oh. Sanguni. Okay.
Oh my god. I
Love it. We need to play the CD.
Wait. Can you put the photo cards away?
I can. You're. Okay. Okay, yeah, I put them away. I don't know why, but it's giving like special edition something. Like why?
Can you put them on the shelf?
Why?
Because you can.
I put them away. Okay, it's good. We're fine. Okay, you get signatures.
Cute.
And this. Damn, that's. And this. Damn, that's. This is actually a lot. Yo, that's crazy.
What's this? Oh,
CD. Loki, I love that CD. I'm gonna steal it. Stealer from Enhypen. Okay, lyrics. Which songs are in this? Oh, actually, breaking me into. I would. Okay, I can't. I can't like.
Well, yo, what's this?
Whoa,
Yo.
that's so big.
I need to stand.
That's so big.
Is that a poster? A poster? I think.
Oh my god, that's so. Oh my god, I need that.
Oh, it's like a wool mat. Fuck. Well, I love it. I love it.
I need that.
Okay, photo cards.
Manifesting. I'm not sure, but I think she got someone again. Nah. Nikki.
Oh.
What the flip? Nikki. Tatayo. My mic is that. Okay. Anyways, back to the photo cards. Let's do this one first. I think this is soon again, bro. I swear.
It's not soon. It's a G.
Okay.
It's Tifa though.
Huh? But why? Oh, bro. I thought it was an S. Anyways, okay. Let's go to the next one. Nikki, please.
Wait.
Girl, give this girl Nikki and not a single, please, I swear.
I saw a little. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
OT7. Bro!
Isang.
Okay, last photo card of this video.
Isang. Again. Dali. No, Nikki.
But soon we're gonna trade, y'all. Okay, let's get to trade, y'all, because she wants to trade for my photo card. Hopefully.
Trading hop.
Okay, so I want to trade for these two soon, but we're gonna see if she wants to win. It's too. This one's new, and this is your bias. Wait. Also with this one. 3 photo cards. What's that one? Guys, I got it! Yeah! Okay. Yay! I traded for how many photo cards? 3.
They are real.
3 real photo cards of Sunu and Enhypen and Sunu Polaroid. Like, bro, low-key not fair. But everything for Sunu. I have 4 photo cards of Sunu. Bro, but
Are you okay?
yeah, you're okay. You have 3 photo cards for 1. Scammer. But yeah, that was the unboxing and the haul. See you next time, hopefully. Maybe in another video with my sissy. And hopefully an unboxing with my album. Of course, we're going to do a Stray Kids unboxing. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye.
Okay, bye.